I wanted to do a little video about fonts. If you are putting lettering into any project, now start over here with your text and put your text box in. I'm going to be working on something that says be our guest. So I'm going to start with the word guest, just to have a word in here. Now you can see up here it was using the Beauty and the Beast font. I'm actually using this for a Beauty and the Beast project, but I don't really like that font. I want something bolder and fancier looking and something that I can do a couple layers of. So I am going to go to my filters and make sure it says multi-layered fonts. So now the only font it's going to give me are things that have multiple layers. What that means is over here on the side I can turn on these shadows so that I can do different colored layers. So make sure if you want to do a image or a wording that has layers on it, you're looking for something that's a multi-layer cut.